Fix Minecraft launcher error on Windows PC. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is make sure that your Windows is up to date, and you can do that by coming to your settings by clicking on this start and clicking on this setting icon, and then click on this update and security, and then if there's any update available, make sure to click on update. So the next thing you can do if this doesn't work is restart your PC. You can do that by clicking on this start button here, click on power, and then click on this restart button. So if this doesn't work, you can sign out and then sign back into your Microsoft Store again. Another thing you can do is check if your date and time settings is correct. So come over to this setting and then click on time and language. Go ahead and click on time and date. And once you're here, make sure that your date and time is correct. If not, you can turn these off and then click on change date and time. So another thing you can do is restore your Microsoft Store cache, and you can do that by clicking the Window and R button. And then go ahead and type WS reset and then click on enter. So this will restore your Microsoft Store cache. So this is how to fix the Microsoft launcher error. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.